Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to save a section on your Squarespace website and use it again. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself and this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all the websites that you have and own on your Squarespace account. So as you can see guys, we currently have only one website called tutorials, and this is the website we'll be using for today's video. So guys, let's go ahead and open up our website by clicking it right here, and now this will open up our website in the page. So guys, after opening up our website, you can see at the left side of the screen there are a couple options that we can use for editing our website, but we do not want to use them now. What we want to do guys is go ahead and open up our site in editorial mode. And we'll do that by clicking this edit button in the upper left corner. So guys, go ahead and click on edit. And now guys, you can see this has opened up our website in editorial mode. You can edit your header, you can edit your sections and so on and so on. So guys, how do you save a section? Well, it's very easy. All you have to do guys is go ahead and put your mouse on the section that you want to save, and here you have the option to edit your section, and you want to go ahead and click this save button right here, which is called save section, and now you have successfully saved your section. So let's say we want to add a new section. Click here, add a new section, and here you will be having the option to click on saved sections right here, and you will be able to paste in your section right here. So go ahead and click that section, and now we have currently added a new section the same as this other one. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.